in today's video I want to talk about starting a business, whether it's a business, a physical business, or you're just trying to start an online business right away. So these are some of the things that you need to think of, or rather these are some of the things that should be your foundation. So the first thing, you have to make sure you have the right mindset. A lot of people that are starting businesses don't have that figured out. They usually start this business, they jump on another one, they start another one and all that. But you have to find one thing, you specialize in that, become good at that, then you can now start creating more multiple businesses, or rather multiple streams of income. But if you are just starting out, I would urge you or recommend you start with something that you are going to be interested in. Then once you see success in that and you get your momentum, that's when you can now jump and try out other businesses. So that's one thing that I want you guys to understand. The mindset of choosing a single business to dominate and become good at is something that is going to make you stand out from other people that are starting a business. And the other thing is that even if you are running a business offline and it has nothing to do with being online, you have to include the online presence, because it's going to help you scale up faster than waiting for your customers to come and find you at your home or at your shop or at your office. So make sure you're creating a presence for your business, a brand, maybe on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Make sure you have that so that people can easily find your business and you can get some traffic to your business without you waiting for people to find your physical location. So that's one thing. That's the second thing that you have to do. Branding will always leave a great impression to people that are going to be coming across your business. So if your brand looks professional, people are going to remember it. If you have the best customer care, people are going to remember that. If your attitude is messed up, people are going to remember that. So make sure, guys, you're keeping your business brand at the top notch, so that you don't get into problems with people that are going to be interacting and engaging with your business. So that's one thing that you have to focus on more. I don't know if the cars you can hear the cars, but I'm just at the parking lot, so I hope the car sound is not going to disturb this video. So brand, make sure you keep your business at a good standard, so that people don't treat you as if you're not a professional or you're a scammer or anything like that. Make sure you have the right intentions with your clients, your customers. Make sure you are looking out for their best interest and you're also providing value. Overdeliver, guys, and when you charge them for something that is premium, they are always going to remember the gestures that you did, and they'll definitely appreciate the extra effort that you give to them, so that they'll be easily to convert when you're selling products to them, you're selling a service to them. If you're already giving something for free, they'll be wondering how much effort are you going to put in if you're going to be getting their money. So make sure you over deliver every time when you're doing your business, and every time when you're starting a business. Make sure you learn your business, make sure you know more than the people that are going to be buying from you, so that you are going to stand out and they will look at you as an authority in that field. That's something that you should focus on. Always educate yourself, always wake up to learn more than you did yesterday. It's going to help you. So that's one thing. I don't know if I'm on number 4 or something, but that's something that you should take interest in. Start educating yourself like you did yesterday, but do it more times. So that's what you have to do. So I've talked of growing a presence for your business. It's easy to scale up when you're running your business online, especially when you start using paid advertisement. If you are a person who has money and you're trying to start getting traffic right away, you can start mastering a platform that is going to be the platform that you're going to be using to send traffic to your business. Don't go learning Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads. Focus on one platform, learn that platform, understand their policies so that you don't get your account suspended or banned, and then move to another platform if you have mastered that platform. That's how you're going to be growing and making sure your business is becoming more successful than it was yesterday. So that's what you have to focus on. The other thing at this point is just rinse and repeat every time you start a business. Make sure you do that, guys. All the steps, follow all the steps. I'll try and do a recap and show you everything. I'll try and so that's everything, guys. I hope this video provides you guys with value. I'll try and recap everything so that you guys can just simply find a document in the description below that is going to consist everything that we've talked about. You can grab the copy. It will be a checklist that you have to follow when you're starting a business. So make sure you are doing that. Oh, and one more thing before I go, guys. Make sure you're growing your email list. Make sure any person who's interacting with your business, if the person was once interested in your business, that person can definitely be a potential buyer to your business. So make sure you're collecting leads. Any person who was interested in your business, make sure you have their email or whatever lead way that you're getting. If it's an email, phone number, make sure you're doing that. And you can use free softwares like system.io, and then you can create yourself an opt-in page where you're going to be giving out value to your audience or your potential buyers, and then they're going to be opting in, and then you'll be keeping an email which you're going to be warming up every time. And the other good thing is that if you are on YouTube or any other platforms, if you ever get banned or get suspended or lose your platform, you can easily send one email to the people on your email list, the same people that have subscribed or followed you on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. They can easily help you to jumpstart another account. If you're on YouTube, you can easily tell them, I'm creating a new YouTube channel because I lost my other YouTube channel. That's one asset every business person is supposed to be focusing on. The people that are interacting with your content, the people that once showed interest in your business, make sure you're keeping them on your email list, and make sure you're not selling to them, guys. Provide value, keep on providing value until you find other products or other premium products that you're going to be coming up with that are going to be valuable to those people that are on your list. That's when you can now sell to them. But don't sell. Make sure you're giving more value than they are selling, guys. So maybe 5 emails of you providing value, then the 60th email you can tell them like, okay, I know the problem that you're facing, here's a product that you can use. I heard one time someone was saying, who made a lot of money during the gold rush? Is it the people that were digging for gold, or the people that were selling shovels and all those things, the equipments to dig the gold? It's definitely the people that were finding people who are interested in digging gold, and then you're selling the equipment to them. So make sure you're pointing to products that are going to help them achieve something that they're trying to achieve. So make sure you're doing that, guys. Remember, don't sell, provide more value than you're selling, and that's how you're going to grow your business in 2022. So if this video is valuable and you find it useful, don't forget to leave a So if this video has provided you with value, guys, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. And also remember to grab the checklist that I'm going to be leaving in the description below. I'll see you in the next video, guys, and stay blessed and stay grinding.